Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to check the performance of your computer or laptop using Task Manager. First, right-click on the Start icon and select Task Manager. Once it's open, you'll find a list of tabs on the left-hand side. The one we're interested in is called Performance, which is the second tab. Click on that and you'll see an overview of your system's performance. At the top, you'll find information about your CPU. Here, you can check the processor details, including the generation, current usage, and the speed of the CPU. It also shows you the number of processes and threads running, as well as the base speed and the number of cores and logical processors. If you notice that your CPU usage is unusually high, even when you're not doing anything, it could be a sign that you need to optimize your computer. Next, let's check your memory. You can see how much RAM is being used and how much is still available. It also shows hardware reserved memory and the speed of your RAM. Moving on to the disk, you can monitor the percentage of usage, which should ideally stay low for optimal performance. Then, check your Wi-Fi and GPU. For my computer, the GPU is less than 5%, which is great. It means it's running smoothly. To summarize, here's what to look for. CPU usage. If it's under 50% when idle, it's generally good. Memory usage should ideally be under 50%. Disk usage, 10 to 20% is perfectly fine. GPU usage should be low unless you're using graphic-intensive applications. If your computer is running slow or the usage seems high, it's time to take action. I've linked a video that will help you optimize your PC for better performance. Let me know in the comments how your computer is performing. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.